Now this is a story all about how cell replication is going down. Now I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there, and tell you how I get two cells to become a really nice pair. In our body cells, big and small, even if there is a cell wall. Something called mitosis happens all along, and a little thing called interphase starts up the song. DNA gets duplicated. Is that so wrong? After that comes prophase, chromosomes tag along. I wanted two cells and now they're almost here, but some metaphase is getting near. Chromosomes line up on the metaphase plate. Isn't that just so great? Here comes anaphase tearing it up, splitting the chromosomes, no more coupling up. At last there's telophase, ready to go. A little pinch, a little pull. And two cells, that's how we roll. Ain't it so cool, they're identical. Photosynthesis is a chemical process. Carbon dioxide converted into organic compounds. The process occurs in plants and algae too, but not in animals or archaebacteria, because they can't create their own food source. Hey now, what is this process made of? Hey now, phototrophs and sunlight. They use CO2 and water. They release ATP and O2. This is what photosynthesis is made of. Light-dependent reactions make up the first stage. Carbon dioxide is captured and it's modified. Light energy becomes chemical energy. Oh. ATP is the end result, yeah. And then we're off to the Calvin cycle. Now, what is this process made of? Hey now, phototrophs and sunlight. They use CO2 and water. They release ATP and O2. This is what photosynthesis is made of. Open your eyes, photosynthesis is everywhere. Shout to the skies, life begins with this process. Chlorophyll is the compound that can start this process. Plants all contain chlorophyll, yeah, that is how it gets its green color. Hey now, what is this process made of? Hey now, phototrophs and sunlight. They use CO2 and water. They release ATP and O2. This is what photosynthesis is made of.
It all starts with Mendel, who quantified studies of how differences were passed on. Parents transmit info about traits to their offspring. Every person receives two factors that could code for alternate traits, or for the same one. Heredity is the passing of traits to the offspring. The baby, it's also called genetics. In the fields of biology, it helps species evolve. If the alleles are the same, the offspring is homozygous. Oh baby, if the alleles are different, then the offspring are heterozygous. The allele that's expressed is the one that's dominant. Oh baby, heredity is the passing of traits to the offspring. The baby, it's also called genetics. In the fields of biology, it helps species evolve.
Wait, before class is dismissed, a phenotype is the expression of alleles. Yeah, it is. And genotype is the representation of alleles. Those are the ones you put in the Punnett square that show the outcomes of crosses.
Heredity is the passing of traits to the offspring. The baby, it's also called genetics. In the fields of biology, it helps species evolve.